Basically a facelift, the 2018 Demonstrate Year Update expedites reconsidered streamlined features the outside and new innovation within. The Italians likewise changed the drivetrain lineup, jettisoning the 4.2-liter V8 and additionally the MC Straddle Show. Starting now and into the foreseeable future, the Grandturismo is accessible in just two trim levels, the Sport and the MC. Sadly, yield stays unaltered, which implies that the stupendous tourer won't not be around for a really long time. Discover what's new in the audit underneath. While it remains exceptionally recognizable, the Grandturismo sports various critical changes for the 2018 model year. These are more detectable in advance, where the guard has a bigger, hexagonal grille with a sharp nose profile and a chrome outline. Enlivened by the Alfieri concept, this grille adds a three-dimensional impact to the front belt, while likewise advancing wind current and decreasing streamlined drag. The side vents have likewise been modified for upgraded air productively, while additionally giving the front end an all the more threatening look. Another focal splitter was additionally included, with a bigger component on the MC display. By and large, the new front guard and overhauled air splitter diminish streamlined drag from 0.33 to 0.32. Maserati likewise restyled the headlamps, which now incorporate reshaped LED daytime running lights, scored lodging in the xenon light regions, and the Maserati engraving in low elevation. Moreover, the MC Forms headlamps highlight a darker wrap-up. The MC display likewise gets a carbon fiber motor hood with downforce advancing air vents. Onto the sides, we can discover new vertical air vents in the front bumpers, amended side skirts, and 20-inch Trofeo silver wheels that are 10% more grounded and lighter. Around back, there's a greater back lip spoiler and updated diffusers for both the Sport and MC models. This is the place the two emerge, as the Sport has oval tailpipes at the edges of the guard, while the MC has round channels at the inside.